Hello, this is JT Regulator of Inglorious Bulldogs, and in this video, I'm going to go over the importance of participating in the tournaments and show you my first attacks for this week in a 3-star tournament. And I'm doing this for beginners because the heroes that I'm going to use are more likely the heroes, that 3-star heroes that beginners are going to have to fight in the tournament. So the first reason I like to participate in the tournaments is that you're going to get loot for participating no matter what level you end up at. And the second reason that I like to participate in the tournament is to help move along my hero wanted missions and open up that chest. And if you look at my chest, which is the middle one right below my name, JT Regulator, you'll notice that I've already opened it up today, so it's not going to affect today's. But I like to use that when I have the need to kill heroes. So let's go ahead and open up the tournament by hitting the raid skull down at the bottom left. And then I'm going to hit the tournament on the right side. You're going to notice that today is a rush attack, which means that everybody's mana speed is set to very fast. So specials are going to be going off pretty fast. And this is nice because when you see bloody battle, you're going to notice that healers aren't going to be able to heal. So this week, we're going to be able to bring healers into our attacks. So that's nice. And then also you'll notice that green is not a color that's going to be participating this week. And so this is important when you set up your defense. So you're going to notice that I've picked 3 blue heroes for my defense. So I've got Ulmer off to the right, and then Carol as my tank, and then Valen as my flank. And then in the wings, I've got a healer, which is a costume Hawkmoon, which is a really nice one because she'll give you an attack up. Ulmer is defense down, which is really nice for everybody. And then also Bane. So I have a costume Bane that's participating this week in my defense. We'll see how that does. And then, let's go over the loot for this week. So you're going to notice, even if you're at the bottom 25, you're going to get some loot items and some decent stuff. I'm kind of hoping I'm usually getting in the top 50 and top 25%. And if I get top 10, that'll be really amazing. But you can see the loot that you're going to pick up. Some Ascension items, looks like Valhalla coins, summon tokens. Even in top 10, you're going to get a epic troop token, possibly. These are just possible loots that you can get. But it's a good reason to participate in these tournaments. So let's go on and let's get on with my attacks for this week. You're going to notice that if you get defeated 4 times in your attacks, then what you're going to have to do is either pay gems or you're just going to be out of the tournament. The other 2 times that I participated, I haven't spent any coins, so I've just been out of the tournament. It looks like my first attack, I'm going to have a red tank. So I'm probably going to switch out Bane and then probably go with Carol. And then I've got to decide, I'll probably bring in my costume Hawkmoon. So again, I've been playing this for about 5 months, come close to 5.5 months. I think if I'm going to go with Hawkmoon, I might as well go with 3-2 and bring in Nashgar, who's a sniper. So let's see how we do on this first attack. There's a lot of pressure on these because you only get 4 defeats. So let's see how we do. I'm highly board dependent when I'm doing these tournaments, and look, I've got some reds and some blues, but just not a lot of enough reds to do anything. So I'm going to try clearing out. All right. Let's go ahead and get rid of that tank before he goes off. All right. All right, looks pretty good. Been able to get Hawkmoon to go off. I think I want, see if I can get rid of that Valen. There we go. Charged everybody. I'm going Ulmer first because that's defense down for everybody. And I think I'm more worried about Bane than I am Greymane. So, all right. So I don't want to charge him up. So let's go ahead and start ghosting tiles so we can get some charged up heroes. And this ought to do it. All right, so first good attack. And as the week goes along, these battles are going to get tougher. All right, go to battle, and we have a purple tank. And also notice we've got a regular Hawkmoon as a healer. So I think I'm going to stick with my costume Hawkmoon and Nashgar, and I'll probably bring in some yellow heroes. So I've got Bane, Ganju, 2 snipers, and then I'll probably bring in my Malia, who increases critical attack. All right. So again, highly board dependent. I'm going to be able to make a yellow diamond right away. Yeah, that was just huge. All right, I'm most worried about Bane at this point. And then next is going to be Balthazar. Now I can ghost tiles. Let's get defense up with costume Hawkmoon. Let's see if we can finish off costume Gunner here. Yep. Green diamond. Hawkmoon is going to heal herself. Let's clear out tiles and hopefully, yeah, that ought to do it. Malia first, costume Hawkmoon, offense up. Let's go Bane. That should do it. All right, 2 for 2. Things are going pretty well. Moved up 25% to top 25. Next battle. So we're working on a blue. So what do we want to, which hero do we want to bring in here? Probably Azar. And obviously I want Bane back in here. And then let's go Ganju. Let me think about this again. Save. Yeah, I almost made a big mistake here. I think I might want to go purple. Purple and green. Let's go purple and green. All right, edit team. Oh yeah, we can't go green this week. So I'll probably go a blue team. Yeah, this is going to be tricky. Yeah, I think I might want to go blue. Blue, and this is what makes these tournaments tricky. We're going to try this, and hopefully it doesn't really hurt us in the long run. Because I'm worried about those purples. All right, so we got very little blue, very little. This is going to be a tough one. Almost no red. Yeah, now I'm in trouble. This could cause me a lot of trouble. So I'm just not getting those. See, I'm highly board dependent. And this is probably going to be my first loss. First defeat. That is a bummer. So highly board dependent, and probably wasn't the best choice. All right. So I think this one's going to be a little bit more straightforward. So we're going to go with purple team. Which I like to use. Okay. Let's see if we have a little bit better luck on this one. Doesn't really look like it because we don't have a ton of purples coming in, which is kind of what we need. All right, so that is very fortunate. Let's see. Want to heal plus get offense up. Man. Let's see if I can save myself some headache on this one. Not really. There we go. Maybe we can turn this puppy around. That'd be devastating. Devastating if we wouldn't have been able to pull this one out. the last battle of the evening. And now we're back with a blue. I think I'll go back with my blue team. Alright, this one's going to be another nerve-wracker. I'm lucky that on this one it looks like I've got more blues coming in. That was real fortunate. Alright, so Ulmer, defensive down. Gonna go Carroll there, that was fortunate. See if I can get, that was very nice. Should allow me to do some ghosting. Let's heal the damage that's been done. Work on Balthazar. There we go. Day number 1, 1 loss, which was unfortunate due to probably poor selection. A poor selection on the heroes that I bought in, plus bad board that I couldn't turn around. So anyway, that's day 1. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back, looks like, for day 2 because we only have 1 loss. See you tomorrow.